Hello, welcome to our channel. If today is the first time of watching my video, kindly click on the subscription button to subscribe, like and comment, share, and also click on the notification button so that you can be getting notification whenever I upload my video. I am Rexsam, the solar doctor. I will help you, teach you, and also guide you on how you can start your solar business, how you can start your solar installation, and also share the values and the science behind solar technology in this channel. Today we'll be talking the reasons why we use distilled water instead of electrolytes in our open flooded battery, that is tubular battery, as we all know. So what are the reasons why we use distilled water instead of electrolytes in the US? Have you ever wondered why we use distilled water instead of electrolytes? The answer lies on the composition of the electrolyte solutions and its impact on the battery performance. Like I said, the composition of the electrolyte solutions. Electrolyte can contain sulfuric acid, which can cause impurities and also introduce impurities to the regular water which we use, and equally cause what we call a sulfate crystalline, which imposes when accumulated in the plate or in the surface of the battery, can accumulate on the plate, causing the battery not to charge effectively. That is by impairing the charging capacity of the battery and bringing the reduction of the performance of this particular tubular battery. By using distilled water, we maintain the electrolyte impurity, prolonging the battery lifespan and maximizing its performance to the core. So when we are using this distilled water, it will help us to prolong the lifespan of the battery and also revive the electrolyte by making them pure to the core, that it doesn't have any contaminations to the minerals that is used in making the battery at the first place. During manufacturing, there is a level of electrolyte or quantity of electrolyte that have been deposited in our tubular batteries. So we cannot come again and adding external or extra to what the manufacturer has done. Rather, we use distilled water to maintain the longevity of those cells and also make the electrolytes to be pure when we add our little steps on how you can gauge your distilled water on the tubular battery and how you can put it in with the appropriate measurements and the gauge, and equally show you the apparatus that you need to use in monitoring and also in refilling this water to your battery. See you in my next video. Thank you.